Starting around 25 walk 2024 Avalanche generally is exchanging at $58.49 in term of its best rate with a value change of some 56% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Avax really has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $22.75 132 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $113 515, which especially is genuinely huge. This in a real sense makes Avalanche Avax kind of positioning at 10 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Avalanche cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Avalanche for the most part be truly worth in 2024 in an exceptionally significant manner? Is Avalanche a by and large wise venture, or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2024, or so they explicitly thought? Will Avax cost outperform its unsurpassed especially high in a sort of large manner? These for the most part are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche conjecture cost and specialized examination in 2024 the Avax cost explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense cross a by and large normal value level of $77.8. The normal especially least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to in a real sense be $74.94, exhibiting how generally is Avalanche a sort of wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, or so they truly thought. Besides, Avax can generally arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $83.38, which certainly is genuinely critical. Avax value estimate walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of Avalanche really is gauged to sort of be at around a base worth of $51.47 in an unobtrusive manner. The Avalanche value worth can really arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $57.90 with the typical exchanging worth of $56.30 in est in a by and large enormous way. Avalanche Avax value expectation April 2024. The cost for Avalanche in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $55.87 and $60.16, which generally is very huge, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $58.55, or so they in a real sense thought. Avax value conjecture May 2024. The Avalanche estimate for May 2024 expects that the Avax may basically arrive at a very most extreme worth of $63.8 with an especially least cost of around $58.21, which sort of is genuinely critical. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Avax can truly stretch around $60.89 for May, which basically is genuinely huge. Avalanche Avax value gauge June 2024. The Avalanche Avax cost for June 2024 may in a real sense arrive at a by and large least worth of $64, while the especially most extreme gauge cost really is around $65.52, or so they by and large thought. The in every practical sense, normal cost for Avax generally is all things considered, anticipated to reach $62.72 in June 2024 in a truly significant way. Avax value estimate July 2024. The Avalanche gauge for July 2024 expects that the Avax may in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $68.65 with an especially least cost of around $62.54, which explicitly is very huge. Discussing the typical value Avax can in every practical sense stretch around $65.22 for July, exhibiting that Avalanche Avax value expectation April 2024. The cost for Avalanche in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $55.87 and $60.16, which basically is very huge. Avax value figure August 2024. The Avalanche conjecture for August 2024 expects that the Avax may in every practical sense arrive at a very greatest worth of $71.92 with an exceptionally least cost of around $65.69, demonstrating the way that the Avalanche value worth can arrive at an extremely limit of $57.90 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $56.30 in USD. Discussing the genuinely normal value Avax can in every way that really matters stretch around $67.83 for August in an unpretentious manner. Avalanche value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Avalanche could especially stretch around $74.63, which in a real sense is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in September 2024 generally is $68.40 with a sort of typical cost of $70.55, or so they basically thought. Avalanche Avax value estimate October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Avalanche especially is explicitly anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a sort of typical cost of $73.37, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $77.45 and a very least of $70.69, showing how on the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024. What will Avalanche by and large be certainly worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Avalanche Value Conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the sort of most extreme cost for Avalanche could essentially stretch around $80.39, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2024 especially is $72.16 with a sort of typical cost of $74.84, or so they basically thought. Avalanche Avax Value Estimate December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Avalanche in a real sense is certainly anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $77.8, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $83.38 and a sort of least of $74.94, exhibiting how this certainly makes Avalanche Avax positioning at 10 in the digital currency market, which especially is very huge. Avalanche passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche's cost in a real sense has shown a generally excellent increment of 707% in the absolute most recent 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. Avalanche especially is confronting an exceptionally difficult time jumping aboard within every practical sense other crypto coins, essentially further appearance how Avalanche Avax value expectation April 2024. The cost for Avalanche in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $55.87 and $60.16, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Avax sort of is down to nearly 573% in the by and large most recent 7 days, so besides, Avax can for the most part arrive at a greatest value level of $83.38, or so they sort of thought. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for kind of past by and large couple of days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for genuinely in any case. We don't truly believe that it would a beneficial resource in truly present moment, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Avalanche Value Conjecture 2024 Facts. What will especially be Avalanche certainly worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? The Avax cost really is determined to arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $83.38 with sort of least cost of $74.94 toward the finish of 2024, which especially is genuinely critical. Torrential slides really have a future in a kind of large manner. As far as value, Avalanche really has an exceptional potential to, for the most part, arrive at new levels, showing the way that the Avalanche value worth can sort of arrive at a limit of $57.90 with a typical exchanging worth of $56.